What if drilling concrete was faster, safer, and perfectly accurate every single time? Meet the Drill Corpio DF from CSC Robotics, the autonomous drilling system changing construction forever. Loaded straight from CAD or BIM models, it drills exactly where planned. No tape measures, no guesswork. Riding to site in my pickup truck, this robot takes over the toughest jobs, floors, walls, even overhead, while navigating obstacles and active crews with built-in safety intelligence. Precision depth, perfect spacing, zero fatigue. By automating repetitive drilling, Drill Corpio DF boosts accuracy, protects workers, and frees skilled teams to focus on high-value work. This is the future of construction, smart, safe, and unstoppable. What if your floor layout was printed perfectly by a robot? This is the rugged robotics layout system, and it's redefining construction precision. Powered by Rugged Robotics, this robotic platform prints full-scale building layouts directly onto concrete slabs from CAD and BIM files. No chalk lines, no measuring errors, just clean, accurate markings for walls, MEP routes, and install points, ready for every trade. Hauled to site in my pickup truck, this system shines on massive projects like warehouses and data centers, laying out multiple trades in a single pass. Less rework, faster installs, better coordination. This isn't the future of layout, it's happening now. What if concrete removal was powerful, without breaking what matters? This is the Conjet hydro-demolition robot, and it's changing how heavy construction removes concrete. Developed by Conjet, this system uses ultra-high-pressure water jets to remove damaged concrete with surgical precision. No jackhammers, no vibration, no dust. Hauled to site in my pickup truck, it works on bridges, tunnels, parking decks, and industrial structures, horizontal, vertical, even inclined surfaces. Remote operation keeps crews safe while delivering consistent depth and clean rebar exposure. The result? Faster rehabilitation, better bonding surfaces, less labor, and longer-lasting repairs. This is smart demolition, clean, controlled, and built for the toughest jobs. What if elevator shafts built themselves, safely and flawlessly? This is RICE from Schindler Group, the self-climbing robot redefining high-rise construction. Operating inside elevator shafts, RICE drills anchor holes and installs guide rail brackets with unmatched precision, floor by floor, fully aligned to BIM plans. Hauled to site in my pickup truck, this robot works autonomously while crews monitor remotely, eliminating dangerous work in tight vertical spaces. No fatigue, no inconsistencies, just continuous, repeatable accuracy. The result is faster schedules, safer teams, and smarter coordination across trades. This isn't just automation, it's a breakthrough in how modern buildings rise. What if painting faster also meant painting smarter and safer? Meet Paco, the collaborative painting robot from Les Compagnons, built to support painters, not replace them. Hauled to site in my pickup truck, Paco scans rooms in 3D, creates a digital model, and paints walls and ceilings with precise, repeatable paths. Using an airless spray system, it delivers smooth, consistent coverage across large interior spaces while navigating obstacles and uneven floors. By reducing work on ladders and scaffolding, Paco boosts safety and productivity. That means painters focus on finishing details and quality control. This is automation done right, efficient, collaborative, and job site ready. What if one machine replaced the hardest job in concrete placement? This is the Easy Placer from Ligchine, and it's redefining how concrete gets placed. Hauled to the job site in my pickup truck, this self-propelled machine combines material delivery and line dragging into one powerful solution. With a 27-foot reach, 360-degree swivel boom, and a 4-inch placement line, it delivers concrete precisely where crews need it, even in tight spaces. Powered by a reliable 13-horsepower engine and controlled wirelessly by one operator, the Easy Placer boosts productivity, improves consistency, and dramatically reduces physical strain. This is smarter flat work, efficient, controlled, and built for real-world job sites. What if drywall finishing took hours, not days, and looked perfect every time? This is the drywall finishing robot from Canvas, and it's transforming interior construction. Hauled to site in my pickup truck, this compact, battery-powered robot automates one of the most labor-intensive tasks, applying joint compound and sanding with unmatched consistency. It moves smoothly through tight rooms and corridors, sprays evenly, and sands with integrated dust capture to keep job sites cleaner. The result is smooth, professional wall finishes on a faster, predictable schedule. With simple controls and smart software monitoring, Canvas delivers reliable quality across apartments, offices, and large commercial projects. This is drywall done smarter, cleaner, faster, and built for modern construction. What if lifting heavy materials was handled by a robot every time? This is the LiftBot from Kiwazo, a smart robotic hoist transforming vertical transport on construction sites. Hauled to the job in my pickup truck, LiftBot mounts directly to scaffolding or rail systems and delivers tools, insulation, and materials straight to working levels. It's battery-powered, wireless, and runs up to 10 hours on a single charge, installed in just minutes. With remote control, autonomous operation, and built-in data tracking, LiftBot reduces physical strain, improves safety, and keeps materials moving efficiently. This is smarter logistics, fast, reliable, and built for modern job sites.